you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today you're going to be cooking with Mariah. I know you're wondering, like, why is she having a pot right here? We're going to be cooking, and to start off this cooking thing, we're just going to make some plain old ramen noodles. If you've never seen these are ramen noodles, and they're chicken flavored. So I got my water, it's boiling right now. It really feels good. So I got my seasoning that I'm going to boil in my water after a while. Then I have some pepper to put in my noodles because I love pepper. And then I have some hot sauce to give it a kick. And yeah, so it's boiling, so let's put our noodles in. Okay, let's turn the heat up a little. Well, no, I'll keep it there. So, this is a little pan right now because the big pan I don't think would have fit over here for the camera angle. So I'm not gonna make a bunch of noodles today. I'm just gonna make a little bit. Okay, so let's put that there. And let them boil for a little bit. Put some more. And just a little more. That. There you go. So let's let them boil for a minute. Then I'm going to throw my pack away. So I haven't done a video for you guys in a long time. So I was like, I can't leave them hanging. So I just came up with a quick video for you guys today. And yeah, I can't leave you guys hanging. For you people who watch my videos, I can't leave you guys hanging. You're my little dog. Okay, now yeah, let's turn the water up. Okay, I turned it high, so it should be boiling in about a little bit. And while we're at that, we're gonna open the package of this. You can find this at Crest or your local Dollar Tree. And yeah, it comes with a lot in here. So it comes with, I used some in my previous videos, but it goes 2 packets, 2 packets, and 2 packets. And sometimes I use it off camera. So yeah. So I got my packet out that I previously used. So come on, noodles. What are you doing with your life? Okay. Okay. So let's turn the heat up more. Now it should be really boiling. So I just wanted to ask you guys, how was your day going? And yeah. And if my best friend watches this, hi best friend, I miss you. And you guys are going to be wondering why I said that, because I haven't been in school for 1 week. So yeah, and tell everybody I miss them so much, but don't show them the video because I'm a weirdo. But yeah. Okay, see? Best friend, have you and your boyfriend had a good time at school? See, look guys, it's boiling. Look at that, guys. It's really boiling. Yeah, y'all just seen that? It just like, it was so like not boiling and then it boils. Crazy, right? It's a magic stove, right? So let's put some of our seasoning in now. Let's let it boil. Okay. That should be enough. outside, so if you guys can hear that, I'm sorry. You guys are probably wondering why I'm using chopsticks, because I've never liked to use forks, and my mom just bought me like a 50 pack of chopsticks, and I love using chopsticks. So yeah, that's why I use chopsticks. I'm not a pro at using them, but I know how to use them. So we're gonna let that boil. Okay. So we let that boil for a minute. I don't know why, but I like to stir stuff a lot, and one time I was cooking with my mom and I was stirring the green beans. She's like, "You're gonna stir them to death." I'm like, "Well, I'm bored." And yeah, I just love to stir stuff a lot. So if I'm stirring a lot, I'm sorry, because I like to. It's like a habit. What is that noise? This is a long video, but I'm not gonna eat it. I'm just cooking it for you guys. So you can cook your noodles however you want it, but I like them like this. That's good. So I'm gonna turn that off, and then I'm gonna drain the water out. So I'll be back. But yeah, guys, like I said, you guys can leave a comment and say how your day's been going. So I've drained most of my water out. Pretty much a lot. Oh no, they're boiling still. Okay, guys. Okay, so we're gonna scoot all this over. All this, all this, all this, all this, all of this over. Is that going to cook my... Hold on. We're having technical difficulties. So, I have my bowl here. So I'm going to take the bowl. Put my bowl here. I dropped the bowl like a long time ago and it's cracked. So yeah, don't mind that. And I got my good looking noodles. Ooh, the camera might get fogged up, but it's okay. It's actually not. So put that in the sink. Look guys, so good. Ooh, the camera's fogging up. Sorry guys. Okay, they look already seasoned, but guess what? They're not. So we're gonna put a little pepper. Don't want that much. So that's enough. Stir it up. Sorry guys if you can hear that. Someone's being really disrespectful outside. And they're playing music in their raggedy car. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to say raggedy, but it just made me mad for a second there. Sorry guys, it's okay. You guys should forgive me. These noodles really look good. You guys can have a taste. Here, taste it. Aren't they delicious? So, let's put a little bit of hot sauce. Because I love that hot sauce. Hot sauce is good. I'm not going to put too much because that seasoning that I just put in there, and plus the pepper, is spicy. So yeah. I usually make my noodles in the microwave, but guys, I just want to do a video for you guys. So you guys should feel special. I went out my way to boil my noodles for you guys. I know, I'm special. You guys are special too. But yeah, that's it. They look delicious. Have another bite since they were so good. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video, and I will do my best to make up another video and comment you guys what you want me to do, because I will do it if you want me to do it, guys. So in a couple more days, let me get some views, and I'm going to see what you guys comment. So if you watch this, comment. If you see this, comment. Please. I just said that wrong. But yeah, please comment down below. Please. But make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share this video. Well, don't share it, but make sure you subscribe, and I'll be back with another banger. And you guys can tell me what you guys want. Peace. Love you guys.